model, 2016 Citroen Dispatch Expert Enterprise Blue 1.6 HDI Nun Runner Cambelt snapped 80k miles Euro 6 Vat Inc. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 80,340. MOT, the 3rd of May 2026. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FCUA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Nun Runner, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward repair job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, aircon, parking sensors,